Hello, fellow classmates. Good morning from Abuja, Nigeria. This is almost 6 a.m. So, my name is Victoria Diego, and this course is Public Health Theory / Model PH 420. So, I'll be introducing myself. I'm from Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria, but I was born and brought up in Abuja, Nigeria. I've been married for over 10 years with 3 adorables. I have 2 boys and a girl. My first son is 9 years. My second child is a girl and the only daughter, which she'll be baptizing on December 18. She'll be 8 years old. While my last born is just 6 years. So my hobbies are I love cooking, I love baking, I bake a lot, and I love reading. I also love skipping. I have interest in learning new languages. Yeah, so far I've learned how to speak French. I enrolled for a French class for 6 months. I and my family, and right now we are at the intermediates. So like very soon too, I want to enroll for Chinese class too. I want to learn different languages. Yeah, my favorite location is Abuja. That's where I've stayed all my life. I was born in Abuja. I grew up here. I got married. But I also uh, I enjoy my stay at Calabar when I visited. I have not really traveled out of Abuja, but I believe someday I will travel. My favorite food afang soup. Yes, I know many of my African people that are here know what afang soup is very like is a delicacy where you eat and you want to eat and eat again. Yeah, so I love afang soup very well. I also love rice and stew. That's another of my favorites. Yes, I also love taking a lot of fruits. I love reading books from Professor El Nelson. I've read so many of his books. I've read The Power Within Us. I read The Essay of Hope. I read Hope in Our Hearts. I read Accomplishing the Impossible. I read The Gateway We Call Death, and many more. I've read so many books from our beloved prophets. I'm not a movie person, no. I hardly own my TV, except I want to listen to news. But I love African musics. Yeah, it's even up to 6 months. I haven't on my TV. Yeah, I hardly on that. But my kids will just stay in their room and on and play, watch whatever they want to watch. But I hardly do that. I would like to be an epidemiologist in future. That's why I'm following this path of studies. So, what I learn about myself, what I learn about myself from this week 1 worksheet activity. I've learned not to be too fast to judge and how to view and respect people's own opinion. I also learned how to think out of box and think wild. I learned what paradigm is and how to view people differently. Thank you.